What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Caspians, I am back with another video for you guys. What is happening in crypto? Everything's going to zero. What is happening? What is taking place, guys? We had a recent flash crash in crypto and every project seems to be affected by it, man. Even Casper, for once, is affected by the overall market. It looks like it's the first time in a long time we've seen that, right? Casper typically does its own thing. And you know, we're gonna dive into that, see what's up, see what's going on in the overall markets, man. What Casper's potentially gonna be doing as far as, you know, the future, any updates. We're gonna dive into it all in this video. So Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description. So don't miss these videos. Go rewatch all my previous Casper videos, nothing but bangers on the channel. Go check out my Casper playlist. It's on the front page of the channel right here, Casper. And also share the video with your friends and family, man. Keep supporting, even in, you know, corrections. Keep supporting the videos, man. I know the viewership is higher when the cast is pumping, but even in the corrections, please keep supporting. We're gonna keep you know, going crazy, spreading the awareness of Casper, man. So Bitcoin instantly erasing thousands of dollars in market cap. Thousands of dollars in its price. 30,000 down to 26,000, like in a snap. Like, what is happening to the markets, man? The king, look at the king, how it just donk fell off a cliff, man. And obviously a lot of other projects got affected by that. You guys already should know that Bitcoin is the lead market mover. So when Bitcoin is doing some crazy stuff, expect alts to be doing crazy stuff too, man. But again, I said in my previous video, this is bullish because if we could erase thousands of dollars, that means it's not going to be difficult for Bitcoin to pump tens of thousands of dollars going into the bull cycle. The halving is very close. I hope you guys have your bags packed. I'm telling you, I hope you have at least 10,000 to 100,000 cash packed, right? I know it's difficult. I know it's tough out there for a lot of people. I think it's around $400 for 10,000 cash right now. Even if you could just get 10,000 cash and secure some gains for the bull run, be happy for that, man. That 10,000 cash could potentially make you a whale in the future. One win in crypto could help you to build out an even better portfolio in the future, man. And let's take a look at Cas now as well. So Cas sitting at $771 million in market cap, 23.7 million 24-hour trade volume, sitting at 0.038 cent for Casper. And you know, holding up pretty well in my opinion, right? Crypto Chris, you never see these prices again. This is your last chance. I'm bullish on Cas, best innovation in the entire crypto market from crypto.com. Tito, Cas more than BTC, great project, really. Fireblot DAG. And like I said in my previous video, DAG Knight is superior, right? I dived into DAG Knight in that video and the technology behind DAG Knight. So all the other DAGs out there, just know that Casper is the king of block DAG technology, right? With DAG Knight technology. And see you next station, everyone. Log and hold, right? Cas, Jabberwocky, go Cas, Darkfish, $2 end of the year. Mark this, you are welcome. Casper, $2 end of the year? Send it. I'm not gonna be mad at that. So right here we have the support level for Cas, and you know, we said in the live stream, we have live streams that we do as well on the channel. Tune into those. We said this would have been a previous this was a previous resistance, and looks like we flipped this level into support at that 3.6 cent mark, and now we're already starting to bounce off of it. Will we come up and break this resistance here at this 4.2 cent 4.1 cent level and then flip that into support, or will we have to retest before we do so? But on the daily chart, Cas is forming a huge cup and handle on the daily chart, guys. Huge. You know, shout out to Donald Trump. You know, huge cup and handle pattern on the daily. right? This is the cup, this is the handle right here, and is that gonna be the breakout that we see for Cas? We'll keep an eye on that, guys. And yeah, overall, like I said, just hold, man. This is where the diamond hands come into play, because like out of all the altcoins in the space right now that have come out in the bull cycle and have the most potential for growth, I still think it's Cas, right? You know, I know it's Cas actually because of the technology, the community, just everything surrounding the project, everything we've researched. You know, eyes on Cas. Casper community, Cas keeps your eyes on the Cas chart. Casper will recover quickly after a healthy correction. Do not forget that we are still at the beginning. Our first goal is $1, right? If you got 10k Cas, you could lock in potentially $10,000 with 10,000 Cas, right? And that's a nice W in my opinion, right? Crypto has taken a lot of losses for a lot of people last year, right? Those market conditions were just dreadful. So if you could start to recover your losses with some small wins and you just keep compounding the wins, I'll take it. Jim Skibum, as of now, Cas holders are much more relaxed than BTC holders. As macro does poorly, Bitcoin will do poorly too because it's already fairly valued for more or less at current prices. Cas, on the other hand, was fear launched in 2021, has yet to appreciate to fear value. Therefore, it has much more upside regardless of what macro or Bitcoin does. Exactly, like the whole time Cas existed, we haven't seen it being affected by macro as much. We see the hash rate hitting new all-time highs, and if you check out Bitcoin's history, the higher the hash rate, the new all-time highs for Bitcoin's hash rate just meant more and more success for Bitcoin's price action and securing the network, and we're seeing, you know, signs of that with Kaspa as well. BTC is much more susceptible to macro movements in spite of being a mammoth. Cas will simply trend upwards of macro because it is undervalued. Jim Skibum always crushing it with the amazing tweets. And you guys can see, look at this. This is exactly what we were talking about. Huge cup and handle pattern on the daily for Cas, right? So hey, this is where you guys DCA into the project and potentially you get that breakout and get those get that profit, ride it all the way up, man. See this huge cup and handle pattern, man, that is forming, and Cas is still undervalued in my opinion. People still don't realize, like, people don't really do their research. If they did their research on Cas, they'd be like, whoa, this thing is huge, man. This project is, you know, gonna just take a lot of spots away from the top giants in the space. I'm telling you. 84.eth, we've seen the Mexi official Casper wallet rapidly reduce in size over the past week. Why? I think institutions are buying over the counter from Mexi. How can we use this to benefit us? Withdraw your Cas and create a good old GameStop style squeeze. You shouldn't have your crypto on exchanges at all, ever. That should just be apparent. Never hold your crypto on exchanges unless you're doing trading, right? Short-term trades, and that's it. Other than that, don't keep no crypto on exchanges if you're a hodler. And yeah, like I said in a previous video, institutions already starting to buy. $7 million buys coming in for Cas. Whales are still adding. Like, it's a constant thing. Again, overall markets, guys, watch a guru. We are unable to confirm reports that SpaceX sold $373 million worth of Bitcoin. Alright, so even Elon selling off his Bitcoin in this, and what created this flash crash in the overall markets, right? They say there's no evidence to confirm these reports, but you know, a lot of huge, you know, Bitcoin whales started selling super fast, right? And in previous cycles we saw, you know, after we hit the bottom, we do a double bottom and then we go bull cycle, right? Full on bull cycle, right? So the bottom was in last year around 16k, $15,900 for Bitcoin. We're probably gonna be making that another bottom with this flash crash, and then we see life-changing gains. All the hard work finally pays off. But I was about to say something, kind of slipped my mind. Hold on, guys, let me try to remember. Yeah, what I was about to say is we're very close to the halving as well. It's less than a year for the halving. The halving is right there for Bitcoin, man, and that is going to be super bullish overall. $1 billion liquidated from crypto market in the past 24 hours. This is insane. We're having a huge flash crash right now. Crypto market underwent a brutal crash during the late US hours of Thursday. Thousands of dollars got liquidated in Bitcoin, bringing it back down to 25,100. Modest recovery was noted right after. Bearish pressure was still prevalent at press time, right? And typically, you know, Cas is not affected by the overall markets, but a lot of projects took a hit, you know, and Kaspa wasn't due for a healthy correction anyway. So I think that's fine, guys. And you know, this is where you DCA, add to your bag. Again, even if you could just afford 10,000 Cas, be happy with that, man. There's billions of people who will never get to have 10,000 Cas, especially if it does keep performing with its technology, with 30 BPS mainnet, 100 BPS mainnet. This is one of those assets that could continue growing into future cycles. Just like Bitcoin, how it's always appreciating, Cas could be one of those as well. I'm telling you, this technology is unlike what we've seen before in the past, right? So Caspians, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Cas and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, share it with your friends and family. Thank you guys so much for everything, and I'll catch you in the next one.